Paul here from Cycling Gear Australia. So you've just got up in the morning, you went to go for a ride and you find out you've got a flat tyre. So, time to change the tube. Now if you haven't done one before, you're going to need a couple of tools. A little tyre lever, you're going to need your tube, you're going to need a bike pump or a CO2. So, first thing we've got to do is get the wheel up so we can get the tube out. So make sure you've taken off your little lock ring, which looks like this one that's on here. Then we're going to take this tyre off. So first thing you're going to do, get the lever underneath the tyre. Lock that in there. And then we're going to slowly work our way along. Once you get it a little bit, you'll be able to use your little tool and work it all the way along till the first half of the tyre comes off. And then you find out where your tube is. It's got a very long valve on this one. And you push it up out. That should have went the other end. Should do it the other end. There we go. Made that look hard. Take her out. Throw that one away, she's no good. Now, check you've got no glass or anything inside your tyre that might have caused for your puncture. You can always have a look inside them. Have a look around. If you're happy there's nothing there, it's time to put in the new tube. Take your little cap off. Push it down. Now, what I normally do is put a little bit of air in it, so it just makes it a little bit easier to install. Now, find the hole for the valve. Put the valve in. And then slowly work your way around. Push that tube inside the tyre. Once you've got it in, tucked up in there so it's not all overhanging, it's time to work the tyre back on. I'll just start down here near where the valve is. And just keep rolling the edge over. Make sure you don't pinch your tube as you go around. Just keep working your way around. So you get back around the other side. So you get to a point where we're like this. Now some of them you'll be able to roll it over with just your thumbs, or you might just need to use your tool again. So get on top of the lip of the rim, just rolling over. You might need to get a second one. Same thing again. That's it, she's on. So I like to walk around it, wiggle it, just to make sure that the tube's in place and it's not pinched. You don't want to burst your new tube. Once that's in place, find where your valve is. Now if you've got a little pump here, probably a good thing just to start off by putting that on there. Making this look hard. To make sure your tyre's all sitting nice and the tube's not pinched. work your way around again, and you can get your CO2 canister, which is the fastest way to do it. Screw it in, which is like mine. Screw it until it locks up, and then you back it off, and then gotta watch out, those CO2 canisters get cold. You'll burn your finger, and then take it off. You're all pumped up, little locking ring on, so it doesn't rattle around. So you can see what I'm doing. Make sure your valve's locked off. And we're good to go. Put it back on the bike, go for your ride.